Class 10 Chapter 11 Trigonometry. Subscribe my YouTube channel Rajesh Mobu Maths and also check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my channel. Example 4. In triangle ABC, right angle is at B, AB is equal 5 centimeters and angle ACB is equal 30 degrees. Determine the length of the sides BC and AC. Here AB is equal 5 centimeters given, angle ACB is equal 30 degrees. ABC is a right angle triangle. A, B, C. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B, where AB length of AB is equal to given 5 centimeters, and we should find the lengths of BC and AC. Now angle C is equal to 30 degrees is given. Angle C is equal to 30 degrees given. Now longest side is called hypotenuse. Longest side is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse beside side, remember, hypotenuse beside side is called hypotenuse. Beside side is called adjacent side, remember, okay. Hypotenuse beside side is called adjacent side and leftover side is opposite side. 90 degrees opposite is 90 degrees hypotenuse. Side opposite to 90 degrees right angle is hypotenuse. This is side opposite to this angle is called opposite side, okay. You want to, if you will confuse means you draw this arc and you can find. Now we will find, we should find adjacent side and as well as hypotenuse we should find. First we will find BC, therefore we will take tan 30 degrees. Why? Because opposite side already given. Tan 30 degrees is equals to tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite side to 30 degrees by adjacent side to 30 degrees, angle 30 degrees. Therefore, what is opposite side? Opposite side is AB, where adjacent side is BC. Therefore, AB by BC, I will write directly AB by BC, where tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 by root 3, where AB is equals to length of AB is equal given 5 centimeters. In the place of AB, I will write 5 by BC by cross multiplication. Don't keep cross symbol here. You should write in the exam point of view. You should write in the steps by cross multiplication. You should write, okay. Don't cross here. Now BC into 1 is equals to BC, where 5 into root 3 is equals to 5 root 3. Therefore, we got BC is equals to 5 into root 3 we got. Now we will find hypotenuse. In a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. By using Pythagoras theorem, we will find AC value. Already we got adjacent value. BC is equals to 5 into root 3, where AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square according to Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square we should find. Therefore, as it is we will write AC square, where is equals to AB is equals to length of AB is equal to 5, where BC is equals to 5 into root 3, which just now we proved above. We will substitute in this place, where AB is equals to 5, the square as it is write down, plus BC is equals to 5 into root 3, the square as it is should write, but write as a whole square. Now AC square is equals to AC square as it is write down, 5 into 5 means 25, plus 5 into root 3 whole square means separately should multiply 5 into 5, 25, into root 3 into whole square means square root and square get cancelled. Therefore, this is 3. Once see here, root 3 whole square, square root and square get cancelled, 3. Okay, 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 3, 75. Therefore, AC square is equals to this 25 right as it is plus 25 into 3, 75. AC square is equals to 25 plus 75 is equals to 100. Now AC is equals to this square you write RHS here. What happened? Transpose into RHS means it becomes a square root. Therefore, square root of 100. Therefore, AC is equals to square root of 100 is equals to 10. We got AC value. AC is equals to 10 centimeters. Without using Pythagoras theorem also we can find by using by taking sin 30. Okay, I will take sin 30. Sin 30 means what? Sin degrees means sin theta means what? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Now sin 30 degrees is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, means sin 30 is equal to AB by AC. I'll take sin 30 is equals to AB by AC, where sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2, half of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, where AB is equal, length of AB is equals to given 5 centimeters. In the place of AB, we will substitute 5 by AC by cross multiplication. AC into 1 is equals to AC. Here 5 into 2 is equals to 10. AC is equals to 10 centimeters. By using Pythagoras theorem, you are unable to do, means you do by shortcut method. AC is equals to, by using sin 30 also we can find AC is equal to 10 centimeters. Once I will tell adjacent side, keep it in mind, hypotenuse beside angle, here you will keep no angle, okay. Hypotenuse beside angle side is called adjacent side, remember, is the technique. Suppose hypotenuse here there, and angle is here, therefore hypotenuse beside is called adjacent side. Now leftover value, leftover side is opposite side, keep it in mind, okay.